In this video, I'm going to show you a fun thing to do at home, and that is to make yummy donuts from scratch. Hey guys, it's Nadia Seed, and I am in the kitchen getting ready to make some delicious donuts, and I'm actually getting this recipe from DIY.org. And that's a site where you can do challenges, courses, and create your own things for everyone to see. It's super fun. I'm actually a mentor on DIY, and you can actually check out my courses. And if you want to follow along with this recipe, you can get your membership at DIY.org. It's actually free for the summer. Use my code Nadia50 when you sign up. All right, let's get into these donuts. Alright, looks like there are 10 ingredients. I've got all of my ingredients right here, so let's go ahead and measure out the first part. Now I'm going to add in the sugar. Of course, you can't have a delicious sweet treat without the sweetness. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, just 2 tablespoons, that's it. Now, we're going to add in the butter. Butter. You see what I did there? I kind of just hypnotized it to come to me, you know what I mean? Alright, it's time for the mixer. Now, let me tell you something about this mixer. When I plug it up, it kind of goes crazy. You see, this mixer is a little bit broken or something. Just wish me luck. Let's hope I don't break anything. Okay, and then we will lock this in place over here. Lock this in place. Lock it in place. Okay, it's time for the mixer. I'm a little bit scared, but you know, we can do it. Ready? Okay. I'm just gonna hold it there. It kind of just like pops to the numbers on its own like it just did. So I have to like hold it off until it's time. Also, it won't lock, so it's gonna be a little scary. But you know, we can do it. Alright, I'm holding it. Alright, it's plugged up. Off right now. Now let's turn it on. Gotta like hold it down. Oh my gosh, okay. You know what? This is fine. I'm gonna turn it up some more. Oh, this is actually working. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Stop! How do I stop this? Wait! Oh my god! Hold it! Gotta keep down! It's moving! Oh my gosh, wait! Oh wait! Turn it off! Ooh. You know what? Let's check the dough. Right, take it out, and look at that, it's perfect. That actually works. Let's see what's next. Take each part, roll it into a ball, and then flatten to a round disc on the tray. So we're gonna make about 6 of these. I thought I might need flour, but this isn't really sticky at all, so looks like I don't need it. Now we're just gonna roll it into a ball, and then put it on the tray, and flatten it, just like this. You know what, I'm gonna roll it better. Okay, so I have this excess, I guess you can call it, from the circular part. So I'm just going to quickly roll this into a ball, and then look what I'm gonna do. Put it right there. So it's like a little mini donut hole, you know what I mean? Okay, now it's time for the fun but a little dangerous part. Dropping it into the hot oil. I know I have to put it in the oil next, but let me just confirm my instructions. Make sure I have everything done so far. Guys, it literally said to cover this tray with a towel for 2 hours. Okay, so let me just explain. I like watched this video before I started doing this, and I totally missed that part. I thought this was just simple, easygoing, like you just like make everything in like just one time. But no. No! You know what? We're gonna go ahead and cover that with a towel. And we'll be right back. Bye. It's the next day, and I let my donuts sit in the fridge so they could rise. You know, they're not the tallest, I guess you can say, but they rose some. So now I already put 2 cups of non-flavored vegetable oil in the frying pan. So we're going to go ahead and wait for that to heat up and get to frying. Just waiting for this to heat up. The recipe said that you're going to cook each side of the donut for 3 minutes. So, you know, it's gonna take a little bit of time. How are you doing? Doing good? Cool. I'm doing just peachy. You know what? Let me talk to you about DIY.org for a second while we're waiting for this to heat up, since that's where we got the recipe from. I actually have a course on there, and it's Bloxburg on Roblox, where it teaches you how to build a bunch of cool structures and animals in Bloxburg. And my brother Nadia Seed has a How to Become a YouTuber course where he teaches you how to become a YouTuber. So if you're interested in our courses, post your challenges on there, tag me, and I can talk to you on there. Now let's check this temperature. It's supposed to get to 375, so let's see what it's at now. It's almost 300, so we're getting there. All right, this is gonna be the test. It's a little like donut hole, so I'm gonna put this in first. Gotta be careful, gotta be very, very careful though. It's cooking very fast, so I'm gonna flip it. Geez, this is like burnt. There we go. Oh my God, you guys see that? It's so black. Well, we gotta move fast. Okay guys, this is definitely burnt, so we're gonna try a lower temperature. All right, putting in the next donut. All right, flipping the donuts over. Get all of the grease or oil off of it. And we're gonna do the same thing for all of the donuts. I'm glad I tested them out because who wants to eat this one? It's all burnt. Anyways, the donuts are finally done, except we have to do the toppings. You can leave them as they are, or you can do like frosting and sprinkles. So on DIY.org, the recipe was for you to melt white chocolate and then dip your donuts in the white chocolate and then sprinkle on sprinkles. But I don't have any white chocolate and I don't really like white chocolate, so I'm just gonna use powdered sugar since that's what I have. I think it'll taste great, so let's go ahead and try it. It looks so pretty. All right, now let's try it. Oh, good. Wow. It's real good. Comment down below if you're gonna try this at home, and if you are, how yours turned out. Anyways, watch another video right now in full, and let's make not normal the new normal with Nadia.